So for anyone familiar with IPTV or been cutting the cord for a couple years, you're probably familiar with this story right here. So he's now known as a YouTuber, and you can see the title there. Local YouTube star sentenced to 5.5 years, ordered to forfeit over $30 million in large-scale cable piracy case. We all know him as homie in the Hellcat. Back then, company or the IPTV service we know as Gears TV. He was sentenced today 5.5 years, and he has to pay back over $30 million. So we're going to jump into the article. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. All right, so today I'm reading a little bit from the Philadelphia Inquirer. I'll link the full article in the description. As I said in the intro, title is Local YouTube Star Sentenced to 5.5 years, ordered to forfeit $30 million in large-scale cable piracy case. A local YouTube star who's built a sizable following with slickly produced videos, flaunting his fleet of luxury and sports cars, collection of diamond-crusted bling, and a spacious Swissboro home will be forced to give up nearly all of it after he was sentenced Tuesday to 5.5 years in prison for illegal business that allowed him to amass those trappings of success. Better known to his more than 800,000 online followers as homie in the Hellcat, pleaded guilty last year to running one of the most brazen and successful cable TV piracy schemes ever prosecuted by the US government. So, in short, this was an IPTV reseller. As a part of the sentencing Tuesday, he was ordered to forfeit more than $30 million in assets, including nearly $6 million in cash, cars including Lamborghinis, Porsches, Bentleys, McLarens, and a portfolio of more than a dozen properties he'd amassed across Philadelphia in its suburbs. So $30 million is a lot of money, but tangible objects aren't everything. U.S. District Court Judge Harvey Bartle III said in announcing the punishment during a hearing in federal court, "You have a large following, and there may be people who think if you get away with it, they can too." So just a little bit of his backstory there, not going to get too much into that. So the company launched in 2016 and known at various points by names like Gears TV, Gears Reloaded, was a leader among so-called illicit IPTV services, a $1 billion a year industry in the US. It provided subscribers with hundreds of on-demand movies, TV shows, as well as access to dozens of live channels and pay-per-view events at a cut rate pricing. All of it stolen from legitimate services like Comcast, Verizon, Fios, and DirecTV. Services proved wildly successful, attracting more than 100,000 subscribers and amassing more than $34 million in revenue by the time federal investigators shut it down in 2019. So a lot going in the article right here, and what it's coming down to is just, as the judge said, that they're making an example of him. It is $30 million, so he's going to have to give up a lot of that, the assets, the houses, the cars, whatever is in his bank account. Look like they're just trying to take that money back. And who knows what else they'll go after. As far as his YouTube assets or whatever YouTube's bringing in, if they want to look at it and say this would not be successful if it wasn't because of the IPTV service. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like I said, this is something that's been brewing for a while. This months and months of seizures and forfeitures and stuff, and I've been following it for a while. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like I said, I'll link the article in the description. New to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.